Your mad agent scientist is back. Now we're actually going to load the woofer into a box and try to implement it. Here we go. Negative to negative. We're loading a DVC. We're reducing the ohm load. Positive to positive. Notice the red stripes. We have the enclosure here. We have two sets of voice coils. One into one set. The joins. Remember how I said get a tight thread? That was not a tight thread. Squeeze that extra tight. Joins pair into the negative connection. Other side here, bare wire. We have a positive and a negative. Wind it around, make sure you get a tight thread. Positive going into positive, negative going into negative. Now, we'll be taking our terminal connectors and connecting them into the terminal connection in the box. Dropping the woofer in the box. Make sure the woofer's fitted correctly. Don't want to have too much over gap. Don't want to have screws going through the gap. Screw one. Notice that I'm countersinking the screws when I have an even distribution of clamping force on the woofer. Now, for those of you that aren't experienced, you should always have a screw guard over your woofer, over your drill head. This will prevent you from lancing the woofer, the surround, with the tip of the screwdriver. Loaded woofer box. And now, next step, here in a minute, the end result.